Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the most important reward that you should choose first when basically doing the fairy event. So here, I'm just going to select show me found rewards. Once you put your plants in, 3 choices will appear, like from tier 1 till tier 5, either maybe like Enchanted Seed Pack, Petrarch Glimmering, or Aurora Vine, for instance. You will have to pick the Enchanted Seed Pack, and trust me on this, you do need to pick it. Why? Because the fountain actually requires some of the plants here, so you'll need to give the fountain some of these plants. So you need to give it Sunbulb, glowthorn, light shoot, brier rose. I haven't seen Spirit Flower or Wispwing. I actually have not gotten those 2 yet. I think, did I get Spirit Flower actually? Spirit. Oh, I did. Okay. So I just need Wispwing. Oh my gosh, I really want that one because it's super cute. But anyways, you will need to get those seed packs first before anything else. And yeah, that is pretty much my tip. You just need to choose that first because sometimes the fountain actually requires those plants to be submitted. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I've planted these 2. I'm going to plant the rest though. The Sunbulb and the light tree. It took me so long to it took so long for the light tree to grow. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. So cute. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!